Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you are good. In today's recipe, we'll be making homemade chocolate bread. This is easy and it's so nice. So let's get started. In my mixing bowl, we'll add in the milk and the yeast, and we'll stir this to mix properly. I didn't add sugar for this recipe. If you want it extra sweet, you should add in a tablespoon of granulated sugar, and I'll come in with the bread flour. You can also use the all-purpose flour if that's what's available to you, and I'll also add in the cocoa powder and the salt, and we'll mix all this in to combine properly till all the cocoa powder and the bread flour is mixed in completely into the liquids. Here we'll come in with the melted butter. You can also use oil, and we're going to mix this in well to be well incorporated. Here we'll be playing with the dough because we want it to be well incorporated. We don't want, after baking, some part of the bread will be white and some will have chocolate. So we are mixing all in completely. We'll play with the dough for about a minute or two to give it that nice combination. And we'll form this into a ball shape and turn it around. And this is what it looks like. In a little bowl, I will add in a little oil. This is to help the dough not to stick when it's rising. And we'll rub the dough with the oil so that this wouldn't stick when it's rising. I'll cover it with my fin, and we're going to allow this to rest and rise for 1 hour. I live in a warm country. I don't need to put this in a warm place. If you live in the cold areas, please put this in a warm place for 1 hour. This will help the yeast to do its work. And this is 1 hour later. This has risen so beautifully well. We'll remove the fin and we'll transfer this to my work table. Gently flour the table and we'll bring in the dough. Gently with my fingers, I'll remove the bubbles from the dough, and we are going to fold this again into a ball shape. Also apply a little flour. This will help the dough not to stick to the rolling pin when we are rolling it out. And gently we'll roll it out. You roll this out to the size of your pan. This is one of the easiest bread recipes I've made. It's easy to work with. You don't have to knead so much, and it will be ready just in time. We'll be folding this at this point. I'll be doing this gently so that you can catch the process. This folding part of the bread making process is very, very important. When you fold your bread well, it going to rise well and you'll have a better bread. We'll tuck it in and roll it. Tuck it in and roll it till you get to the last part, and you pinch it together like this. This will help the air not to escape from the dough. And here our dough is ready, and this is my baking pan. I've laced it with parchment paper and greased it with butter. This will help the dough not to stick to the pan, and when it's coming out from the oven, it will come out quite easily. And I'll cover this with my kitchen towel and allow it to rest for another 1 hour. This will help it to also double in size, and this is 1 hour later. We'll be sending this to the oven, and we'll be baking at 170 between 20 to 25 minutes. And here is our bread. Our chocolate bread is ready right from the oven, and quickly I'll take it out from the pan before it starts sweating. At this point, my whole house was filled with nice aromas from this bread. Everyone wanted to take a bite of this. I hope you also try this, and please tell me how it came out for you. Please also subscribe to my channel. Please also like and share my videos. I will really appreciate that. Thank you very much. What do you think about this recipe? Will you be trying it out? You can also leave me a comment on any recipe you want me to make available for you, and I'll do just that. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.